Good morning, guys. Again, this is Louis Painting Remodeling. Today I'm going to show you two different bathroom remodeling we operated in same house in Coral Spring. Okay, there's two bathroom remodeling that we're doing. It's about, it's kind of difficult, presenting some kind of challenge, but we made it because we know what we're doing. We've been doing this for about 15 years. Okay, we demolished both bathrooms at the same time because there was nobody living in the house. We demolished everything, and we started from the scratch. We moved all the door under the drywall there, and we do that, and then we install everything again, doing all kind of plumbing and all the vanity toilets and things. We're doing all of them. So we started from the first bathroom. I'm gonna show you very shortly. And you will see after while we're installing tiles, we put a very nice and in a professional way accent in the middle of the road of the wall, and a nice niche that the accent crossed over it from top to bottom. That's very nice as we send along. And then after we do everything that you won't see in this bathroom, and we did the same thing also in the other bathroom, even though they use we're using the different tiles, different set of tiles, but the same work.
Yes, as I said earlier, this is one of the most difficult shower we are doing actually, because not only in remodeling. By the way, now I'm just want to show you this. It is one of the most difficult shower we're modeling right now. We demolish everything, all the walls, everything, and install the everything under, and then start installing the rock and the tiles. You can see right now why I say it's the most difficult one that we're doing right now, because not only it has
you will see this kind of work it presents some, as I said earlier, some kind of challenge, but the fact that it's something that we've been doing for a while, it's easy for us to do. And after doing everything, we grout everything, and you will see in the picture and video I'm going to show you guys, it's very, very professional. So you who has a bathroom remodel to do not hesitate to call Louis Painting. 954-638-8155. That's the number you have to call, and you will not be regret. You will be happy of the kind of work that we offer, because we work on in some kind of way that our work stand alone and present the person that we work for. He will just spread the word about what kind of work we do. By referral, we work for one person, and that person will refer 10 more people. That's how we do it. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you later. Good evening, everyone. This is Louis Painting Remodeling. Today I'm showing you what we did in this unit located in Coral Spring. We remove all this floor and we put it brand new. Look at this vanity. It was crappy, and we moved it. We replaced another one. All the plumbing under. Look at this tile here. This shower. Come over here. I'm going to show you this. Look at it. Look at everything. How everything is beautiful from top to bottom. Not only we install the niches, we do the niches, but we do accent walls and tiles from all the way up to bottom. All of this is us. See all the glasses, the window glasses. See them? It's all. And come over here again and see this top. It was yellow, and we replenish it, and we redo the whole things and put it in the condition you see it is right now. All these is us. The mirrors and everything. That's us. Look at this bathroom alone, and you will tell me what you think, guys. And I will keep you posted for the next video.